Welcome to Help Screen. Now, if you want to remove your Instagram account from another device, first open up the Instagram app. And now, just simply go ahead and select your profile at the bottom right corner of the screen. Now, once you are here, just simply select the three lines on the top right. Now, it will redirect you to the settings and just simply go ahead and go for the Accounts Center. Now, here on the Accounts Center, just simply select Password and Security down below over here. Now you should be able to see down below security checks and just simply select where your login. Tap on it and you should be able to see here your account. So tap on your Instagram account. And after that, you should be able to see here login on other devices. So at the top, this is your current device, but down below, this is the other devices. So now from here, just simply select devices to log out. And after that, just simply select your device that you want to log out and just simply tap on log out once you are done. Down below, a pop-up window will show up and just simply select log out again. And after that, you will be successfully logging out another device from your Instagram. So you should be able to see here all of the login activity. I hope this video helped you out. If you do, give me a subscribe. Thanks for watching.